Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Bitcoin number 1, followed by Ethereum, BNB, Solana, XRP, Dogecoin, and then we're ending with Toncoin in number 10. Let's get straight into it. Bitcoin against USD. Okay, so for Bitcoin, I still anticipate the possibility of Bitcoin slowly crawling its way up, potentially forming an inverse head and shoulders here. We've been anticipating an inverse head and shoulders since like forever. Right, over here there was a left shoulder, hit, right shoulder, failed. Okay, we were saying, okay, maybe this is a left shoulder, we get a hit, we get a right, fail. Okay, now we were saying, okay, this whole thing is the left shoulder. Then we get a hit, right shoulder, DJT wins, palm. We go bananas for BTC. And once BTC goes bananas, everyone goes bananas as well. But at the same time, we have already touched the skinny pink line. So the end, in my opinion, is not too far away. Right? Absolute worst case scenario is KH wins. If KH wins, that's it. That's it. So we shall see how it goes, right? At this point of time, both possibilities still remain. So we're gonna have to take things one step at a time for BTC. Again, I'm kind of leaning on the side of bullishness for the moment because if you look at Trading Economics US economic calendar, right? If you look at it, US, essentially the 3 stars. The Fed interest rate decision is coming on. It's Thursday for me because in Asia it's already Thursday. On Wednesday, US. So I'm like, So I suspect that even TE's forecast is 5.25, right? Previously, if you want to go back, it was 5.5. So yeah, we're expecting a drop for the interest rate decision to 5.25 consensus and TE forecast. So we're expecting it to drop, right? Previously, they were pretty accurate at 5.5. So yeah, there you go. So I would anticipate a rally, not just on BTC, but equities as well, right? In general. So yeah, there you go. That's our take for BTC. Ethereum, ETH against BTC. For ETH is okay. It's almost at target. We had a target over here, 3640. We're at 3908. So a little bit more downside for ETH BTC. Are we gonna see some sort of a strong rally back up after we hit targets? Beats me. We'll have to wait and see, right? Again, I still do think that Ethereum is in the midst of completing a very gigantic, absolute gigantic squeeze, right? AB, CD. We break out. 2028. Ethereum hits $10,000. I'm assuming it's 2028. Of course, I could be wrong. It could come sooner. But as it stands, ETH is bearish against BTC. So yeah, again, I don't think there's anything positive for ETH BTC at the moment. Against USD, ETH is also clearly under the skinny pink line. Right? BTC was just on the skinny pink line, but ETH is really clearly below it. So I'm anticipating ETH to head back to under 2,000 next. We're probably going to clear all these clusters of cells. Right? We're just not too sure how mountain number 2 is going to look like. Is it going to be a head and shoulders over here? Holding the left shoulder, or is it going to be a descending triangle? Beats me. So we're gonna have to wait and see, right? We could still rally all the way back up to the skinny pink line before getting slapped back down. So I still feel that eventually we're gonna continue to clear these clusters of cells over here. There will probably be significant support at this area at 2,000. I will still anticipate us to break it eventually. So as it stands, we are bearish for ETH USD. Buyers bearish as long as we're under the skinny pink line, like over here. We will remain with our bearish bias for Ethereum. BNB, okay, one of the very few coins, few top 10 coins that's bullish. We're clearly above the skinny pink line. We're clearly in a consolidation. So it's already the 16th of September. CZ, more likely than not, it's going to be CZ released September 2024. I think it's 29th if I'm not wrong. It's coming. September 29. There you go. There could be some early release surprise, right? But I have a strong feeling that the whales are consolidating for a break higher, right? There will be significant resistance around this area, 0.011. 0.009. So yeah, we're anticipating this move to come for BNB against BTC. So we're buyers bullish for BNB, buyers bearish for Ethereum. BNB against USD. We're hoping that we complete the inverse head and shoulders. We did mention it like from August, right? Come on, right shoulder. We were saying, come on, give me a right shoulder. We're kind of getting a right shoulder, right? Down, up, right shoulder, left shoulder. Hit. Let's go. For Binance Coin, potentially. Anyway, for Binance Coin, we should have a target here. Ta-da! Which we acquired way back in March 2024, months ago. And then there's another one at 1566. Will we hit both? Will we hit one? I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But this is looking pretty good for me. At the same time, there are also some bearish signs in the sense that we are touching the skinny pink line. Support is holding up, but we are touching the skinny pink line. You do not want to see a touch of the skinny pink line. This whole thing could also turn into mountain ranges as it heads lower. So as it stands, we are still bias bullish. We're still anticipating the inverse head and shoulders completion as we break higher towards $1,000 for BNB. Solana against BTC. Here we are for Solana. Solana is touching the skinny pink line. That's bad. We are crossing it, to be honest, and that's bad. That's just bad. And this whole thing looks to be like a consolidation, accumulation. The only thing is, where is the breakout direction? Are we going to break out higher? Are we going to break out lower? We've touched the skinny pink line. I'm going to assume that eventually we will be breaking out lower, clearing all these clusters of cells first before seeing any sort of a strong rally. Right, for Sol. And if you were to drop for Sol BTC, I think this is good because we will also be completing just like FBTC. A very big squeeze. You see this? Very, very big squeeze. We will welcome this. Absolutely welcome this. My anticipation is for Sol BTC to take out these lows. So this will be a brutal fall, about 70% for Sol BTC. Could I be wrong? Of course. But as it stands, this is what I'm guessing it's going to happen for Sol BTC. We don't have any clear high quality tradable chart patterns, so nothing much for us to work with for Sol BTC. Against USD, we're also touching the skinny pink line. So that's bad. Both the BTC and USD pairs are about to flip bearish, right? Over here, we did cross the skinny pink line. We made a few attempts to cross back up, but we failed. And then that's it. Full on bear. How long did we try to break back up? Yeah, for 80 days. 80 days, we tried to break back up, but yeah, it resulted in failure. So I still think that Sol is going to break back down, right? We're going to clear at least these lows. Sub $20 again for Sol USD. Could I be wrong? Of course, be wrong. But as it stands, it's not good. Not good. It's not good. Could there be a red? Of course. This whole thing could be a 1, a diamond continuation, up 3. This whole thing could be a 4 and a 5. Of course. But as it stands, this is bearish to me. So I'm anticipating Solana to cross back lower to sub $100 first. There could be rallies here and there towards the skinny pink line, right? Like what happened over here, down, and then there was a V shape up back towards the skinny pink line. And after that, pump, we get a slap down. Bear season starts for Solana. That's why it's very important to know how to short the markets if and when the time comes to short. Solana, XRP against BTC. Here we are for XRP. XRP is, still again, gentle reminder that XRP is also in a very big head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Could there be rallies towards the skinny pink line on the weekly? Yes, of course. Like what happened over here? Pam! Super rally. Oh, we go slap back down. Super rally? Yes, no? I don't know. Doesn't look good to me. I don't know if you're going to be breaking back up above the skinny pink line, but yeah, there is a possibility that we could be going higher. But of course, all of this depends upon BTC itself. XRP against USD. XRP against USD. Okay, just a gentle reminder on Bitstamp that XRP is forming a huge squeeze. You see this? Huge. A, B, C, D, E. Oh, E is almost done. E is almost done. So we have two targets over here, 160 and another one at 610. I suspect there's another one here though, slightly above $2. After clearing these highs, right? I suspect there's another target over here. But we'll have to wait and see first. We'll probably hit 160. We'll take a break here before heading towards, I guess it's around 250 though. 240 something. Yeah, sub 250 potentially. Yeah, we're waiting for the consolidation first, right? Again, profits will be taken at 160. We wait for the consolidation and then we take another right higher, right? And if things really goes bananas, yeah, we're expecting 610. $10 to be a significant resistance. So we're taking one step at a time. 160 first for XRP. Dogecoin against BTC. Here we are for Dogecoin. We are dropping lower. What do I think? Yeah, there's a potential for us to form a very nice squeeze here. Very nice breakout. But it will only come probably in like 2025, 2026. Right. If anything, I'm anticipating lower to the noisy area over here for Dogecoin against BTC, against USD. Okay, Dogecoin could be forming a mountain range. So we don't like this. Right. I hope that Papa Elon does some magic and then we could see a positive move, a bullish move towards the upside. Right, potentially up to 50 cents. Right now we're at 10 cents. I don't know about 50 cents though. But if we do come back down towards the support line, I think that's it. We'll probably bounce here and there for a few more times. I'm thinking that we'll probably drop towards the next noisy area over here, which is around 1 cent. So hopefully, Papa Elon performs some magic for Dogecoin. Toncoin! Welcome back, Pavel. Ton against BTC. We are, what is this? Coinex. Yeah, we're touching the skipping line, which is not good. Is there a possibility for us to still continue higher? Yeah. I still suspect that over the next few months, we're probably going to be coming back down. A big consolidation again, 2028. Bull run begins again. So as it stands, yeah, we're not too sure for Toncoin. Against USD, Gate. Toncoin has touched the skinny pink line. So we're anticipating a continuation lower. So we could be hitting a little bit higher. The first, probably around $6. Here are these clusters of highs. And here's highs, and after that, potentially lower. Could we still continue higher? Of course. Of course. We actually have targets towards the upside at 1350. We're still anticipating the potential continuation. But as it stands, nothing much for us to work with. So, yeah, there you go. That's all I'll take for Toncoin. Alright, boys and girls. I guess that's it for our top 10. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.